First of all, I did manage to lose some video clips. You won't see me mixing and pouring epoxy in this video. Also, I did take clock out of the mold without recording. Yeah, all my videos aren't perfect, so I asked myself, why will this one be any different? Anyway, we did manage to come to the good looking present for Grandma's partner. So if you don't know me yet, I'm Ajay from Woodeuphony. So in this video we will make some of our epoxy clocks. The steps from the beginning to the end is usually the same. Only the wood type and colors for epoxy may be different. Wood type that we are using now is oak. We did draw a circle to the wood and we did cut it with bandsaw. And for now, I think this is the most important step. This is the barking. So here we are removing all the bark and all the soft spots in the wood. The whole preparation is just that epoxy will be bonded to wood properly, so it won't fall apart. When we did finished with all the operation and the live edges, then we will go to the planer. Here we just plane the down side, so the side that will go down to our epoxy mold. The upper side we will plane later. So as I said in the beginning, we did miss few video clips, and this is pouring and demolding. So this is 2 steps ahead, and this is again planing and then thicknessing. Here in thickness planer we must move slowly, because it's only 24 hours the curing time, and usually it isn't the rock hard. So move slowly, right? Just I did 0.5 millimeters in one pass, I think so. After this we just have sanding and more sanding. So right now I'm rough sanding this. I think it's 80 grade sandpaper, and then we will be moving up to 240. So after rough sanding I did go to the edge sander. There I did sand the edges with 80 grade sandpaper. And we move to the fine sanding. Here I use orbital sander, but any type of sander will do just fine. So some side note here for Mirka maybe. Like you see, I'm using Mirka sander Deros, and it's fine sander. I don't have anything, but in the past 2 years that I own it, it did break down I think 4 times, and I'm not heavy user. I'm doing woodworking for a side hustle, but yeah, it's not very reliable tool to have for this price. So some of the finish sanding is over, and with it finished now with 150 sandpaper. Now we will trace the line of the mechanism and just carve it out with a router. When the carving is done, we just need a little bit of fine sanding with 240 grit, and yep, we are almost in the end. But to give very special gift, I want it to be very personal, so I will do that with engraving. I don't have one, but I have a friend who has laser engraver, so we will prepare the wood for that. Preparing the wood for engraving is the same as protecting or finishing the item. So here I'm using mineral oil, as usually in America they use it for cutting boards. Why I'm finishing before the engraving? Because the numbers and everything else that will be engraved will be much darker than if we won't use the finish oil. If you wanna see the difference between finishing and engraving and not finishing then engrave, please comment down below, and we can manage to do that. As you see right now, we are in the end. The gift that I will be giving it, I think it's a nice gift that will the person remember me and the craft that I do. And to all of you that watch this video, thank you for your time, and please comment down below what wall clock would you want for gift. So thank you, and please support by clicking like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.